Mihira, glad I caught you. I'm preparing for Mrs. Davison's session. She's making good progress after her ankle repair, and I want to start gentle, partial weight-bearing exercises today. Her surgeon mentioned specific parameters, so I need to ensure we have the right support.
Mr. Clark, yes, Mrs. Davison. She's keen to get moving. We've got the standard walking frames and crutches ready, of course. But for someone at her stage, perhaps a bit more stability than crutches, but less restrictive than a full frame, would be beneficial. We recently received a new batch of those forearm support walkers. They're much better for maintaining posture while still allowing some controlled load.
Ah, the new forearm walkers. Excellent. I was hoping they'd arrived. That would be perfect for Mrs. Davison's graded progression. She really needs something that allows her to feel secure without relying entirely on upper body strength, which is where some of the standard frames fall short for her. It's a fine balance, giving enough support but still encouraging the leg to do its work. We also have Mr. Jenkins, who's struggling with balance after his inner ear infection. He needs something that won't trip him up. And young Lily, with her developing gait, requires a very lightweight, agile frame.
Yes, exactly. The forearm walkers are also quite useful for patients with some wrist or hand weakness, unlike the traditional crutches that put a lot of pressure there. They distribute the support more evenly. I'll make sure one is set up for Mrs. Davison immediately.
Perfect, Mihira. That should really help her build confidence today. Mihira, I can only imagine how worried you must feel right now, and I want you to know that your careful attention is already a gift to your little one. When dehydration begins to worsen, the body sends quiet but urgent signals that ask for your loving vigilance. One of the clearest signs is that your child might go 6 hours or longer without a wet diaper, which tells you their kidneys are conserving every drop of fluid. You may also notice that when they cry, no tears come, even though their face shows distress. This happens because the body is saving moisture for vital organs. Perhaps the most concerning change is that they become very sleepy, unusually hard to wake, or floppy like a ragdoll. This deep drowsiness is not restful but a sign of serious depletion. To stay ahead, Mihira, you can create a gentle monitoring plan at home. Weigh your child at the same time each day using the same scale, as a sudden drop in weight reflects fluid loss. Check their vital signs. A fast, weak pulse or breathing that seems rapid and shallow needs immediate attention. You can also test skin turgor by gently pinching the skin on their belly or arm. If it stays folded or returns very slowly instead of springing back, that is another red flag. Trust your instincts, Mihira. If any of these signs appear, reaching out to a doctor without delay is the safest, kindest choice you can make.